Welcome back, everyone. It's Chris from Chris Travels, and today is a special day for me. As you may know from watching one of my previous videos, I've been having some electrical issues with my rig. When the power center failed in our RV, the power center that I replaced it with was a perfect fit. But there was another issue. You see, the Magnatech 6332, at least the one that we have in this rig, had a built-in or bolt-on automatic transfer switch. Here is the automatic transfer switch. This switch bolts onto the back of the Magnatech 6332, and it runs inside of the power center that hook up to your breakers to provide AC power to your power center. Now this bolts onto here, and these are the lines. There's a cover that goes on the top of this, and that's what supplies power to your power center. Through here and goes straight to your main. You can kind of see what's going on in here, line and generator. And I wasn't able to reuse that specific part with the power center that I picked up. So I turned my focus back to PowerMax to hunt down an automatic transfer switch. I got in touch with the wonderful crew at PowerMax and kind of let them in on my situation and what was going on. And the wonderful team at PowerMax sent over the PMTS-30, which is the PowerMax transfer switch made for 30 amp systems, which is what our rig is. Huge shout out to PowerMax for sending this switch to me. And if you're in the market for an automatic transfer switch, this might be it. So in this video, we're just gonna do a quick overview of this automatic transfer switch, or at least the 30 amp version of it, and let you have a look at it and see if this is something that you're after or you're just interested in this kind of stuff. Either way, let's take a look at the PMTS-30, the PowerMax 30 amp automatic transfer switch that we're going to be using in our RV alongside the PowerMax Power Center. Very neatly packaged. It comes in a brown box, and this is the switch. Right here, this is everything. We have some documentation that goes along with it. Please read the documentation. This is important stuff. Even if you've done this 1,000 times, just read it. Make sure you're up on all this. Things change all the time. It never hurts to just know a little bit more about the equipment that you intend on operating and or installing. Very clean, huh? Here is the PowerMax automatic transfer switch, the PMTS-30. And here is the instruction manual. Some wiring diagrams for both the 30 and the 50 amp variant. Nothing on the back. And here is the switch. Opens right up, nothing on the back cover. And here is everything. If you turn the transfer switch in this position, the hookups are as follows. At the bottom you had your cord. These two connectors are for your shore power. These two connectors are for your generator. And these two lead directly into your power center. Here is your ground block. This is your line side or your hot side. And this is your neutral. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you do have, and I noticed this on the power center as well, you do have an LED here. Very clean, very nice, and it's plastic, but if you could feel this, you won't care that it's plastic. It feels so premium, so tough, so rugged. And that's important to us in the RV community, that devices are built to last. Alright, so that just about wraps it up for this one. I just wanted to briefly go over the automatic transfer switch to see if this is something that you may be interested in. I'm very excited to get this installed and get back on the road. I appreciate you taking the journey with me. It's been a long road trying to get the rig back up and running, and that's just part of it being an RV owner, that things break, things happen, and it's kind of how you rebound from everything. So, if you got any value out of this video, smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. What do you think? Are you in the market for an automatic transfer switch? Did you even know these switches existed? Let us all know down in the comments section below, and let's get this thing started. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I want to thank the community so much for all of your support, and huge shout out to PowerMax. I really appreciate it. We're going to get this installed and get back on the road. So, in closing, this is Chris from Chris Travels, and hope to see you on the road.